Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will discuss about locating percentiles under the normal curve. So here's our objectives. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to find z-scores when probabilities are given and locate percentiles under the normal curve. So percentile, for any set of measurements, a percentile is a point in the distribution such that a given number of cases is below it. So a percentile is a measurement of relative standings. It is a descriptive measure of the relationship of a measurement to the rest of the data. So percentile, so ito yung nagsasabi kung ilan yung percent na nataasan natin or ilang percent din yung mas mataas sa atin. So ito yung measure of location. Okay, so example. Example number 1, find the 95th percentile of a normal curve. So i-drawing muna natin ang normal curve natin. So this is the standard normal distribution. So to estimate kung nasa ano yung z-score ng 95th percentile, so recall natin yung empirical rule. So here are the percentages according to empirical rule or 68, 95, 99.7% rule. Okay, so 95th percentile. So pag nag-start tayo dun sa dulo, so we have 0.15% and 2.35%. So therefore, the percentile rank of, pag inad natin, so that is 2.5. Subtract 2.5 to 100%, that is 97.5%. So therefore, the percentile rank of z equals 2 is 97.5. So yung percentile rank ng 95th percentile, so nasa pagitan siya ng 1 and 2. So dahil yung sumunod natin, 1 to 2 is 2.35. 2.35, 13.5%. Okay, so estimate lang natin. So ang z-score na hinahanap natin ay nasa pagitan ng 1 and 2. So draw natin yung graph. Okay, so yan yung graph ng 95th percentile. So the area to the left of z is 95% or 0.9500. So ginawa lang natin 4 decimal places dahil pag tiningnan natin sa z table ay 4 decimal places yon. So hanapin natin ang value ng z when the area is 0.9500. Okay, so use this table, hanapin natin yung area na 0.9500, yung pinakamalapit. So dalawa yung pinakamalapit sa 0.9500, that is 0.9495 and 0.9505. So kuhanin natin parehas dahil parehas yung layo niya. Yung isa ay kulang ng 0.0005, yung isa naman sobra ng 0.0005. Okay, so ano yung corresponding z-scores ng dalawang area na yan? So kunin na lang natin sa leftmost is 1.6 and then sa topmost naman is 0.04 and 0.05. So when z equals 1.64, the area to the left is 0.9495 and when z equals 1.65, the area to the left is 0.9505. So para makuha yung eksaktong 0.9500, kunin lang natin yung average. Okay, so get the average. Z equals 1.64 plus 1.65 divided by 2. So pag inad natin yan, then divide sa 2, the value of Z is 1.645. Okay, so ang value ng Z natin is 1.645. So ang area niya to the left is 0.9500. So therefore, the 95th percentile is Z equals 1.645. Okay? So example number 2. Find the lower 10% of the normal curve. So drawing ulit natin. So lower 10%. So again, according to empirical rule, so these are the distribution ng percentage natin. So lower 10%, so nasa negative siya. So dahil 10% lang, so kalahati is 50%, di ba? So i-add natin, estimate natin kung ano yung z-score natin ng lower 10%. So 0.15% plus 2.35%. So ang value niyan is 2.5. So kulang pa. So 2.5% ang z-score ng negative 2. Okay? So kapag negative 1 naman, sobra naman siya. So 2.5 yan plus 13.5. So lampas na ng 10%. So therefore, ang hinahanap natin na z-score ay nasa pagitan ng negative 2 and negative 1. Okay, so ito estimate. So ayan yung value ng z-score natin na lower 10%. So ang area ng shaded part natin is 10% or in decimal that is 0.1000. So again, 4 decimal places para pag tiningnan natin sa table ng z-score natin, so mas madaling makita. So use the c-table, so yung negative part ng kinuha ko dahil 10% lang yan. So hanapin ang pinakamalapit sa 0.1000 or 10%. Okay, so yun yung pinakamalapit. So we have 0.1003. So kunin natin yung z-score niya. So tingin lang tayo sa leftmost. So we have negative 1.2. And then sa topmost naman, so we have 0.08. Okay, so therefore, the z-score of area of 0.10003 is negative 1.28. Okay, so therefore, the lower 10% of the normal curve is below z equals negative 1.28. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple ang pagkuha ng percentile or the lower 10%. So, ang percentile rank niya ay 10%. Negative 1.28. Okay, example number 3. The result of a nationwide aptitude test in mathematics are normally distributed with a mean of 80 and a standard deviation of 15. What is the percentile rank of a score of 86? So, kunin mo natin ang given. So, we have mean of 80, standard deviation of 15, and ang hinahanap natin is percentile rank. So, ilang percent ang nataasan? What is the percentile rank of a score of 86? So, ilang percent ang nataasan niyang 86 na score? Okay, so sulat natin ang mga given natin. So, we have mu equals 80, sigma or standard deviation is 15, and x equals 86. So, para makuha natin yung percentile rank, i-convert muna natin sa z-score ang score na 86. So, standardize muna natin. So, we have, use the formula, z equals x minus mu over sigma. So, substitute lang natin ang mga values natin. So, we have 86, so that substitute to x. Then, we have mu equals 80, substitute sa mu. And then, standard deviation or sigma equals 15, substitute lang dito sa denominator. Okay, so we have z equals 86 minus 80 divided by 15. So subtract muna the numerator, 86 minus 80, that is 6 divided by 15. So therefore, z equals 0.4. Okay, so next step, find the area to the left of z equals 0.4. So kunin ang area to the left because ang hinahanap natin is percentile rank. So ang percentile rank lagi nagsisimula sa area ng left, papunta dun sa z-score. Okay, so draw the graph. So this is the graph of 0.4. So kunin natin ang area to the left of z equals 0.4. So use the table. So yung positive side ng kukuhanin natin na table natin. So kunin lang natin ang area ng 0.4. So 0.4 sa leftmost. Then 0.00. Dahil 2 decimal lang siya, so 0.00 sa topmost, then get their intersection. So we have, the area is 0.6554. So in shaded part natin, so that is 0.6554. Then, convert lang natin yan sa percent. Okay? So to convert that to percent, just multiply by 100%. Or simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and then put the percent symbol. So the corresponding percentage of this is 65.54%. Okay, the area to the left of z equals 0.4 is 0.6554. So therefore, the percentile rank of the score 86 in a test is 65.54%. Okay, so yun na yung percentile rank natin, 65.54%. Okay, next example. Example number 4. To pass in the accreditation and equivalency or A&E test, ALS students must score in the top 15% in general ability tests. The test has a mean of 200 and a standard deviation of 20. Find the lowest possible score to pass the test assuming the test scores are normally distributed. So kunin muna natin ang mga given. So we have mean of 200 and standard deviation of 20. Okay? So we have given mu equals 200 and standard deviation is 20. And isa pang given ay yung top 15%. Okay, so i-graph natin. So yung hinahanap natin ay find the lowest possible score. So, ang hinahanap natin dyan ay yung X, yung score. So, ngayon, kukunin muna natin yung top 15%, yung Z-score ng top 15%. Okay, so yung shaded area natin, so that is 15% or in decimal, that is 0.15. So, in order to use the Z-table, kunin natin yung area to the left. So, if the area to the right is 0.15, yung area naman natin sa left side ay subtract 0.15 to 1. So, we have 1 minus 0.15, that is 0.85. Or gawin nating 4 decimal places, so that is 0.8500. Okay, so kunin natin ang corresponding Z-score ng area na 0.8500 sa ating Z-table. So, hanapin natin ang value ng Z. So, we have, kunin natin, hanapin lang ang area na 0.8500 sa table natin. So, ito yung area natin. We have 0.8485. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mas malapit yung sumunod. So, we have 0.8508. Ayun, yung kasunod na area niya, 0.8508. Pero ang gagamitin natin ay yung 0.8485. So, bakit po yun ang gagamitin natin? Kahit na mas malapit yung 8508, dahil kapag ang ginamit natin ay 0.8508, yung magiging area to the right niya ay magiging less than 15% na lang. E ang hinahanap natin, yung score ng ALS students daw, mas score in the top 15%. So, pag ang ginamit natin is yung area na 0.8508, so kulang na sa 15% yung magiging natin, area to the right natin. So, kaya ang gagamitin natin, yung mas mababa. Okay, so anong corresponding Z-score? Tingnan lang natin sa leftmost and then sa topmost yung score natin. So, we have 1.0 and then sa taas 0.03. So therefore the corresponding Z-score is 1.03. So now find the value of X. Meron na tayong value ng mu, sigma, and Z. So now use this formula. X equals Z times sigma plus mu. Then substitute lang natin yung mga values natin. Ang Z is 1.03. Then we have sigma is 20. And then mu is 200. So, substitute lang natin lahat yan dito sa formula natin. So, we have X equals 1.03 times 20 plus 200. So, just use your calculator. Therefore, the value of X is 220.6. Or, kailangan nating i-round off sa whole number dahil ang hinahanap natin is test score. So, wala namang test score na may decimal. So, therefore, X is equal to 221. Okay? So kapag ang ginamit natin na Z-score ay 1.04 or yung area na 0.8508, parehas din tayo na makukuha ng answer dahil i-round off natin. So ang makukuha nating value na X ay 221 pa rin. Okay, so therefore, the lowest possible score to pass the test is 221. Okay? So that's all. So kung meron kayong mga question, just comment nyo lang yung question nyo. So, here are my references. And thank you for watching. So, kung ito yung first time nyo sa channel na to, please subscribe and hit the bell button para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod pang videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.